Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Gemini with Virat Kohli. First, consider the core characteristics of a Gemini, focusing on their intellectual curiosity and versatile nature. Next, delve into Virat Kohli's renowned attributes, such as his unwavering determination and strategic thinking. This guide will help you blend these distinct qualities into a compelling and dynamic persona, perfect for creative projects or digital representations. We'll explore how to effectively merge these powerful elements. To integrate core traits, focus on Gemini's ability to see both sides of an issue, offering balanced insights. Then, infuse the relentless drive and passion that defines Virat Kohli's approach to challenges. Imagine a persona that can adapt quickly to new information while maintaining a strong, goal-oriented mindset. This fusion creates a character capable of both deep thought and decisive action, embodying a unique blend of intellectual agility and competitive excellence. For persona development, begin by outlining specific scenarios where this combined identity would thrive, perhaps in strategic planning or dynamic leadership roles. Next, craft a communication style that balances Gemini's articulate and engaging dialogue with Kohli's direct and impactful statements. Consider how this persona would react under pressure, demonstrating both adaptability and unwavering resolve. This structured approach ensures a well-rounded and believable character. The impact of this unique persona can be significant. You can leverage its combined strengths for compelling storytelling, creating narratives that resonate with a broad audience. Apply these integrated traits to innovative problem-solving, approaching complex issues with both analytical depth and a winning mentality. Ultimately, this fusion aims to inspire, showcasing how intellectual versatility and passionate determination can lead to remarkable outcomes in any creative endeavor.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.